Hello, I am Niharika Nadij from Sriganganagar, Rajasthan. I am a co-founder and CEO of NS Web Labs. Along with that, I always wanted to join the forces. I was giving FCAT examination, but I never attempted to give the CTS examination because I was always scared that I wouldn't be able to crack it because I didn't have anyone who can tell me that yeah, you can appear for it, because no one in my family either or in my friend circle is aware of these defense examinations and everything. So I was all on the internet when you search for CDS, not now but earlier, like in 2015 and 16 when I graduated. There was much of thing like you can, if you give CDS, it's a UPSC level examination. You have to be on top of the game, top of your game, then only you can clear it. And without any coaching, you cannot actually do it. So my plan was not that, and I am always against the coaching. I hate coaching. I always just wanted to study myself. So that's why I didn't appear for CDS all my life, like till last CDS 2019 second examination. Luckily, I struck upon an academy on a YouTube video or some web series. Then I just logged into the platform. I checked out and I found out that actually the thing that I was looking for throughout the my graduating years, I've actually found that. So I logged into there, I purchased the subscription, I started preparing for it. It was July 2019 and the examination was supposed to be held in August 2019 and September 2019 simultaneously. Yeah. So for the CTS, actually, I was not. I didn't join the platform for giving the examination of CTS. But yeah, when I talked to the teachers, educators there on an academy, I realized that I can actually crack the examination. Not exactly crack, but yeah, actually clear the examination. With an academy, it was very easy, because the path that I always wanted to follow. Now I have once joined an academy. I won't name it offline, but I just went for one day there because I didn't like the way that they were teaching, right? So in 2016 I joined it actually, but I didn't find it interesting, so I didn't ever go to any academy later then. So on an academy I find it very different. It was the interface was different, and the teachers, the way they were teaching, it was very connective. So I just started following them. So my strategy, if you ask me how I cracked my FCAT 2020 and CDS 2019, then I would tell you the strategy is to follow the educators blindly. Yes, I just mean it blindly, because those educators knows much better than us. We don't even know what we are doing. We just want to clear the examination, and that is only possible with their help. That is actually what I have got. I followed few teachers. I followed separate teachers for separate subjects and everything, and trust me, each one of them has taken me to a different level. So I scored in FCAT 2020. I scored around 222 marks out of 300, and in CDS 2019, I just calculated it that I have scored around 100 to 102 marks. So the credit goes to the unacademy educators only. And I just followed them, whatever they told me. I never bought any book, I never purchased any notes or anything. So whatever they told me, whatever the notes they have given me, I just read them and keep on revising them. Like, my mantra is to just revise over it. Like, if you ask me how I scored 222 marks in FCAT, I would just tell you, because I just revised whatever they taught me. I revised the PDFs, like the PDFs that the teacher provided, the guidance they give. I just revised that content continuously and landed somewhere in this 200 marks, all because of the teachers. My favorite teachers on Unacademy are not favorite, because of those, my dream of being an officer is actually going to be true. Let's hope for that. Yeah. So the first teacher that I would like to mention is Mr. Sanjay Kumar. He helped me with the GK, general knowledge. I attempted his history class first, and then the journey goes on. So he'll help you with all your general knowledge queries and everything. He's so humble, and he'll answer all your queries, and so interactive with the students. You'll love when you see him in the class. Secondly, I followed Mr. Siddhant Sharma. He actually helped me clear the CDS examination because I just started watching his classes, and because of him, I was able to get good marks in the English paper of the CDS, and luckily I cracked the examination with his help. Also, I studied from Sahil Rana sir, static GK. He's the ultimate teacher who can teach you static GK for FCAT and CDS, because static GK is something that you need to remember, until or unless you don't remember it, it's of no use. So he makes things, sit in your mind, while even if I was sleeping, right, I could answer his questions. So he has made those things sit in my mind like that. So I just love his way of teaching. Other than that, for FCAT 2020, I studied from Sandeep Kumar sir. He also helped with the reasoning part. So I just attended his lectures in class. And you won't trust me, I've done my reasoning paper in just 10 minutes, because the way he had taught me, I could just, I was remembering the answers to the question. The question was so simple that, almost all the question in the reasoning, around 95% questions were from his PDFs for the reasoning part. So all these teachers actually helped me to score the marks and everything. So I would like to thank them for their, untirely efforts for all of us on Unacademy, and they are available 24/7 whenever you ping them with any query. They are always there. Also, my strategy was only one thing, just one thing that I followed. I revised the content like zillion times, because the zeal was that I want to clear the examination. It's not because I want to get a job or something. The thing is that I want to be in the forces. I have a secure job, I have a secure business, and I have financial security. But the thing is, the forces make me, proud. So I always wanted to do that, and these people are helping me. Unacademy has helped me to be a step closer to my examination. Now I'm preparing for my SSB through the help of Unacademy, and let's see, I'll get something, good result. Hoping for the good results. Thank you. Bye bye.